I already got it marked where I'm gonna cut it. Got it clamped and everything, ready to go. Well, that was a fail. Yay! Would touch it, but pretty sure it's hot. Alright. Let's see, let's see. Okay, should fit. Beautiful. Look at that. It's probably gonna have to sit like this higher because the B-bend still has to fit, but I'll be able to fill that in, no problem. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to weld it. So I'm gonna set up the welder and everything, get that set up, and then I'll show you guys how to weld. Alright guys, got the welder set up. That was a little better. Now just tack it on both sides. I already did on this side. Just throw another tack on the other side. Alright guys, so I test fitted it. It was at the right angle that I wanted. So I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld it out. You can see here, it's got that big gap, and then same on the other side there. That's no problem. What you do right there, well, on this spot that it's closed with no gap, you'll go ahead and throw a nice bead on there, and then same on this side, right there. That way, at least it's strong on those sides. And then here, what I do is just I kind of tack weld it, so you'll start filling it up, let it cool, and then just keep tacking it. It'll keep building up, and then you'll finally end up covering it up. So that's the way I'm gonna do it here and here. So I'll show you guys after. God damn it. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the camera here. It's gonna take a little while to fill it up. I already threw a nice weld on both sides. Now I just gotta fill it up here and then here. So once I finish filling it up, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, here it goes. It's all done. Not the prettiest, but not the ugliest. Not bad. Cleaned it up as much as I could. Gotta throw another tag right there. There's a little hole, but not too bad for flood score 2. And that goes to show you can do whatever you want at home with the little welder. And that goes to show as well that this whole build, I built that at home. I didn't take it to the shop or anything. Well, besides getting the aluminum weld, but you know, I'm doing it all myself right here at home. I'm gonna test fit it. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put the turbo, and then I'm gonna put the wastegate, and then see how everything fits. The only thing I am worried about is, I don't know if you guys can, yeah, there you go. It twisted a little bit, but I'm gonna see if that affects the way the wastegate sits on it. Hopefully not. If not, I'll try to hammer or something. Alright guys, so there it is. Both wastegates are on. One on the turbo housing, one on the 90-degree elbow. I just realized I could have put it here, but would have been like down here. It would have been hard to put the saws like out this way, or would be easier to just point it down this way. But I want both of them to come out this way, like this one here and then this one here, like right next to each other, just like on this side. This one here, this one here. So I think it worked out better here. I think it looks good. Still waiting on the timing cover. I just messaged him right now. He said it's ready. They've just been busy and forgot to text me, so I'm gonna pick that up tomorrow. And then once I pick that up tomorrow, I can slap it back on, and then I can start routing the drain lines to the timing cover, because that's what I'm waiting on, just to make sure I do it right. Got that feed line already hooked up. I had the other 48 here. This is a 48. I had ordered 2 48s, and it's literally like this short where I'm getting the oil feed from. So since that one's short, I can't use it, so I ordered another one, the 60-inch. I think I ordered it yesterday. So, and I ordered a couple of silicone couplers. So this is what I ordered. They should be arriving here, and then I got another 90 here. So once I get the timing cover tomorrow, then I should get all these parts tomorrow. So I should be able to make more progress tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.